Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. It is really foggy out. I am down in Maryland, just across the border from Lancaster County. I'm in Cecil County, near the Conowingo Dam, and we are on the Octoraro Creek Trail. Got a couple of things I want to do today. Did not bank on it being this foggy out though. You cannot see anything. I gotta be careful that I don't fall in the Susquehanna River probably. Let's go. Top part of the trail here is in a park, so there's baseball fields, soccer fields, playgrounds and such. The Cecil County Public Library has a story trail here that kids can follow on this paved trail. Once we get up to this, pretty sure there's a parking lot there. We're gonna hang a right here and go down near the Susquehanna River. So I've walked south to where there's a parking lot and another baseball field starting. And there's this little dirt path to the right. So we'll leave our paved trail. Looks like a lot of this, we saw this nearby at Nottingham County Park. A lot of these invasive thorny things. I can't think of the name right now. I will put it below though, because my awesome viewers listed what that was called, and I will put that down below. To say that this section of woods is teeming with life would be an underestimation. A lot of bird sounds. Just saw a squirrel run off into the woods. There's a lot of stuff that's moving in the underbrush here. With all the animal sounds, I hope they came through on my mic, but with all the animal sounds and the foggy swampiness of this, getting some massive Dagobah vibes. So just try and pass on this very bendy wood. We're nearby where the Octoraro Creek, the first scenic river in Pennsylvania. The Octoraro Creek empties into the Susquehanna, so I've always wondered where that is. We've been near the Octoraro. Glenroy Preserve is not far from here, so we've been near the Octoraro there and at Wolf's Hollow. So we'll see where that actually meets the Susquehanna. I hear sirens in the distance, so pretty sure that's releases at Conowingo Dam. I didn't check the schedule. I probably should. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have reception down here, but I'm almost down to the water, so maybe I'll try and check it down there, see what I can find, see if they're releasing. The amount of birds you can hear down here, it's crazy. I was startled by a duck or something a little while ago. Something making noise over there, like a kind of noise. This is an area where you're probably going to see a lot of raptors near Conowingo Dam, especially bald eagles. I was down here once. I'll link that video above to Fisherman's Wharf over there, and man, must have seen a dozen eagles. It's the most I've ever seen in one place. This water's flowing really fast. I don't know what's normal, what's not, but like I did hear sirens up at the dam, so maybe, who knows, maybe it's some kind of release. Susquehanna River is out here. There's a couple islands right here. Man, you can see a log just ripping by. We're gonna walk north up this way towards the dam here, so maybe we'll see some more stuff. A lot of access points to the river, and you can see how the roots of this tree, the dirt, the silt has been washed away. You can tell this area floods a lot. The consistency of the soil here, very silty, very soggy, and here the river runs right up to it. Looking a little high right now as there's some trees sticking out of the water. So yeah, we are right below the dam, maybe a mile away from it, if that. So yeah, definitely prone to flooding down here. Can't believe how fast the water's flowing right here. Love the ambiance too. It's like a Kurosawa film or something. This log is mesmerizing. Can't get past the tree. It wants to, but it just keeps bobbing back and forth. In addition to obviously the soggy trail and mud and silt, you know, you don't even sink that much in this mud. I think it's used to being flooded. It's kind of pounded down, but it's definitely like, if it were dry, probably a sandy texture to it. But in addition to that, you've got leaf piles here that are like, you know, high water marks from where it flooded out before. So definitely check the status here. You know, I feel like it's pretty high right now, but there's definitely evidence that it can get higher. Especially to bring this big farm tire, tractor tire or whatever, way up here. Yeah, there's like a white plastic drum. Here's another tire. Yeah, definitely check status of the river and Conowingo Dam release schedules and everything before you come down to this park. comes the trail to a washed away spot here a little bit. Almost made its own little beach here. Oh, there's some ducks out there. Rough seas. All right, so the sun's finally coming out. Fog's lifting. No regrets though. I kind of love that foggy view down along the water. Still pretty cold out here, but yeah, sun's coming out. So we're going to take a path. I chose the left path to go along Octoraro Creek for a little bit. So we'll check that out, try and get a little closer to the dam and see what's out there. Let's go. This trail did bring us to the Octoraro Creek. So this is the Octoraro Trail at Conowingo Park. I think I forgot to mention the actual name of the park at the beginning of the video, but as you can see, the creek here much calmer. I'm not sure if it gets any backflow from the Susquehanna when they release. Probably do. One more glance at these blue-green waters of the Octoraro Creek. Octoraro Creek was the first of Pennsylvania's waterways to be recognized as a scenic river, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Wonderful color here. We are in Cecil County, Maryland, but the Octoraro basically makes up the border between Lancaster County and Chester County up in Pennsylvania as it flows south. Alright, so only now at the end of our video can we see Conowingo Park in all its glory. Got a nice large playground here, lots of climbable things. Guess I'm seeing soccer maybe down there, some football. They have scoreboards and bleachers. Football over there, baseball. Very nice little park. All right, that'll do it for the Octoraro Trail here at Conowingo Park. So we couldn't see the dam from here. Maybe we will in the next video. I have another idea to go just up the road here, but thanks for watching. And if you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Ding. We'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along.